We all are one, but when we live in very surface, it looks like we are separated. I can give you the example like ocean. If you see in ocean, like waves, many waves are there, big waves, small waves, smaller waves, very tiny waves. So if you see the surface of on the ocean, there are many differences are there. This much differences, even you cannot think how much difference. Different kind of waves, different kind of shapes of waves, but all waves, we can say what is the exist, what is the real truth of the waves. If you see the ocean, and then all waves are connected with this ocean. No waves cannot, no waves have exist without ocean. Picture we say, Sarabam Khalu Idam Brahm. This whole world is manifestations of God or Brahm or truth. So all this universe, this different planets and different people, different part of the earth, different part of any planet, this all are manifestations of God. So this differences, separations, only when a person living in very surface, and many person have many impurities, because we are living on this surface. Told, if I send this vaccines, some people saved his life. It doesn't matter if these people belong to India or other country. The people are same. Always they concentrate the selfishness. When a person go little bit deeper, then automatically, like the equality, like like you can feel like all are ours people. There is no difference. This broadness automatically develop in our system. You are doing your karma, you are doing your business, you are living with your family. But if you have a broad thinking, if you understand the truth, then you become, like when you become bread, and then you can see God is everywhere. you know and then the human quality, if develop inside a human, very ultimately we all are one. There is no difference. And some people, if they have a lot of impurities, they impurity means like greed, ego, anger, jealousy. Maybe they can collect lot of money, lot of power, even they collect all power of the world, even they cannot be happy. This is a very big illusion people are having in the mind. Think, so how many impurities people are having. We need to reduce this impurity, we need to reduce this narrowness, and by the grace of Shakti, very easy way, very simple way, even without doing a very hard meditation or sadhana, you can get it. Shakti is a, like we can say, this universal truth, this universal power in hidden individually in each person. His name is Shakti or Kundalini Shakti. So with this grace of Shakti, you can connect with this universal, this broadness, very easy way. Shakti is very super intelligent. This is the, we can say, this is the essence of the universe, is hidden in each person. Essence is omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent. directly connected with this super truth. Like priceless gift the God gave. So now if we have this richness, if this we have this gift, we need to use this gift for to make yourself happy and to make others happy. Try to enjoy. Try to see inside in this prosperity, this gift, and enjoy.